Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make giant cookie. My daughter is learning cheer dancing. Cheer dancing is different from cheerleading. It doesn't include any stunts, so it's not going to be as dangerous. There was a regional tournament in the end of February, and now she's ready for the national tournament in the end of March. She's practicing hard, so I decided to make these cookies to wish her good luck. Actually, I'm not a sports person, neither my darling, so I wasn't sure if my daughter can do well, but she's doing fine and I hope she can keep it up. Anyway, I think it's a great idea to wish her good luck in any situation. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I got ingredients at 100 shop, Seria. Daiso has similar ingredients. Place batter softened at room temperature in a bowl. Mix with a whisk until creamy. Add egg yolk and mix well. Add 1 bag of country cookie mix. And mix with the spatula. Add little more butter if the mixture doesn't come together. Mix in chocolate chips. Roll out to make a big 6-inch cookie. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. When the cookie is completely cool, warm the chocolate pans in hot water and decorate. And write a message to wish her good luck. And now it's done! It is easy, cute, yet delicious. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
よく考えたらさね、T シャツ着といた方がよかったかな、リジョナルズの。美味しい？
僕も食べたいんだけど。緊張めっちゃしちゃったから多分その10倍ぐらいだと。
そうだね。ダンスドリルも結構大変でしょ。
でもなんて感じだ。
頑張って緊張しないように頑張って。みんな応援してます。